Okay. Hey guys, this is the second part of leveling up the krait-v with Vector, whatever you want to call it. So, yeah. Guys, I think I might go to a new game because, like, just a new server because they're just freaking making. They're just like holding them in, and it's not even fun. So, yeah, I'm gonna go to a new server. We'll do some Mojave. I don't really know the name of it, but I just call it Mojave. Portable, extract it. Just run. Bro. We need to freaking do something about the clouds. Actually, level it up to make sure it's good. I don't even know why I'm complaining about that.
Nice.
What? Oh.
Hostiles are attacking point A.
See what I'm gonna do over here.
We got point D.
Yeah. Enemy. Right now.
GG.
We got point B.
I'm
All
just
of mine
surprised no
start
one's
coming from
corpse.
towards B,
Yeah.
so like just be careful if I were you.
I'm gonna put.
Oh!
Guys, this kid's moving over to B, by the way. Okay, so it's like game behind me, I guess.
Yeah, help will be very much useful right now. It's a lot better. Oh, someone got me from out near their HQ.
Ouch!
Oh.
Okay, yeah, just like
That's
this.
my cousin calling. Bro,
Oh,
you guys are freaking just hiding everywhere. Why don't you come out and fight? Actually. Just
We
hiding.
lost point D.
They're just hiding everywhere.
Oh, shit. Two girls. Ready? Oh. Sangry.
Oh. Oh, I'm behind.
It's
Got
over.
him.
We lost this one.
Already.
Oh,
That
turn
was, like,
please
a
are
really
off.
bad match. And I joined really
Turn
early,
it on
too.
back. Oh!
Let's go for it again. It can be worse.
Okay, so you just didn't die when I zapped you.
Are we really gonna play Island? Come on.
Hellies.
Monkey arms. Okay, can someone come in suicide? Can you get in my
Hey. I like destroying the walls of buildings. So just like if people go over there, they don't have coverage. Oh, by the way, if you guys hear me talking to someone, I'm talking to my friend.
We got point C.
They're streaming. What'd they say?
Point E
What'd they say there?
captured.
Ganya might join. Just don't show anyone. Like, don't show anyone. Huh? No, just don't show anyone, like, you or anything. With the letters up the Taco Bell. That's cool.
Point B captured. Point D captured.
They're probably just bots, I would
Point E
say.
is being attacked.
Yo, the
Big
tank found me, bro.
Enemy is attacking point B.
No, they're not. They're not touching you. No. No.
Yo, I'll be your second gunner.
Hi. Like my tank?
Point E is under attack.
Where's accidentally dropped my ammo.
Nah.
Nice. I think you got him.
I got like 5 kills already.
Oh, the
I got
fuck
4
is
kills
he?
already.
I got 0 kills. No, I got 1 actually. Not much to do up here, I think.
I'm just going around messing with the frickin'
Point B is under attack.
messing with people.
Yeah, there's some at A. I can see one.
Yeah, I'm gonna go
I need
to A.
some shots.
Tank coming to A, by the way. They're about to be happy.
Missile.
Sure, now I'll give you a chance
I
to
can't get
run.
him, I can.
I'll give you a chance to run.
No, you don't. Sorry, man.
Man, I give you a chance, but you could have ran. He was just standing there.
I liked it. Okay, we have a tank. Oh shit,
Oh
we
my
have
gosh,
two
nope,
tanks,
nope,
two tanks.
nope,
Run,
nope,
run, run,
nope,
run,
nope, nope.
Oh shit,
Holy smokes, man.
run faster.
We need to take down their Black Hawk. Take down their Black Hawk.
They're planning on taking down the Black Hawk.
That's the tank. Get me some shots on B and your right side gunner. Get me some shots on A.
Weird tank, bro.
I'm beaming the tank. I've got a good shot on the tank. Never mind that. Over here.
Push, push.
Point A is ours.
Killed him.
Nah.
My
could
aim is
see
actually
him, but
trash,
I
dude.
couldn't get a shot.
Nice. Got him.
Wait, get me on that tank. Get me a position on that tank.
Their tank is coming over here, be careful.
Right. Just kind of follow the tank.
Point B captured.
Wait, do we have an assault over here? I need an assault. I do not think there's any assault over here. Sadly.
Oh, brother, this.
Oh, we had a good run. We did well there. Wait, can I try and fly? Wait, what squad are you guys in?
Oh my gosh.
Is under attack.
That was a crazy shot.
Yo!
We're halfway to
What
winning.
squadron are you guys in? Yeah, both of you, because us three should be in a squadron, the Heli.
Enemy has control over
I'm
point
about to run out of
B.
ammo on this.
Wait. Guys. Join Golf Squad. You two, join Golf Squad.
Got a good run on that one. I might try this out a little bit. I know I said the last video I won it, but I might as well. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, we're doing pretty good on it so far. We're probably gonna have to do a few more parts though, because yeah, it's gonna take a while to level up. Aw, bro, I already know I'm dead. There's a freaking tank coming at me, and there's a little bird.
Enemy is attacking point C.
Run!
Oh.
I made it. Okay, catch him. Gotta go.
Whoa.
Point C's been
Got
compromised.
friends over here.
Give me ammo, please. Thank you.
We got point D.
There's still one more.
Is that on my phone?
Constantly getting shot, man.
Ask
Oh
what he
my-
wants.
Wait a second.
It was the transfer helicopter.
Really angry at me.
Hostiles are attacking point E.
It's
Tell him.
I have a
Yeah,
shotgun.
probably.
I almost killed him.
We've lost point A.
He's on top.
Alright.
What?
Alright, guys.
Oh yeah.
Hey guys.
I'm just doing a lot of things right now.
Point D is compromised.
What? I shot him 3 times.
I'm talking to the video. Like,
Wow,
that was a fun helicopter crash.
200 health. Should have been at like 300.
I got you. Stay alive. Stay alive.
Getting ready.
Hostiles are attacking point B.
Got some Azalium. Like,
I got 8 kills. I'm doing pretty alright.
Point C is being attacked.
Okay. I was completely right here and he hit me.
Dunk.
Bara.
Ow. I'm not even gonna try, bro.
Yay.
It seems my life might be in danger right now. This current second.
Nothing happened.
Hi, up here, Tinky Tinky. Hi, you Tinky Tinky. Hi, Mr. Tinky Tinky. Mr. Tinky Tinky, your aim is bad, Mr. Tinky Tinky.
Enemy is attacking point B.
Oosh. Oosh. I was trolling him, bro. We're just trolling the tank, bro. Nah, they're dead now.
What?
Come on, man. Come on. Let me look. He did not like me. For some sort of reason. I'm not sure though. Pretty sure it's just a skill issue. Should have healed, bro. Bro, stop.
We've secured the
Stop.
area. Well done.
He like never comes to my house. I've like never been to his house. I've literally never been to his house. Nope. How long are we going on? Alrighty. We got enough time. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, 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 bum.
Oh, yeah, you're getting
You're
banned.
not getting
You're
me
getting
that, bro.
banned. You're getting banned. You're getting
I am a pilot.
Good day. Hi.
Wait.
I
What?
just want to try out this guy first.
Let's go.
They can have it.
Be captured. Point D secured.
Oh my gosh. I thought that was my team. Tasty.
We got point E.
Bro. Bro, where'd you come from? I can just imagine.
I just spawned on you.
Do it, gang. I'm his cousin.
I'm not dating my cousin.
What are you talking about?
There's someone
Yeah,
down there.
yeah.
Watch me snipe him.
Point E is being attacked.
Okay.
Get down
I got
Someone killed him! I got you, soldier!
There's a sniper. There's a sniper.
you, soldier!
Run, bro!
I got you! I got. Ow!
I hit that. That's crazy.
Ow!
I can't use Uzi and pistol.
Get on now, no. No. Oh my god.
Everyone has to get on the helicopter, don't they?
Ow. That hurt. That hurt my feelings and my face. Let me look at this guy.
Don't touch me.
Bro, that shot just didn't hit.
Where the hell I'm shooting?
Holy smokes. Holy.
Okay,
Alright, why would you revive me?
dunk.
Point C
Bro.
is under attack.
Toma, acabo de hacer una cuádruple kill, bro. Yes, what you said. Bro, me acabo de hacer una cuádruple kill. Vale, coge esto, ¿vale? Porque seguramente viene un spawn con el tipo. Me he hecho una puta cuádruple kill.
You're just going.
Shut the fuck up.
Bro, why is everybody on the sides?
Yeah,
E.
right.
Ah, vale, listo.
That's right.
E.
Vale, hay una bala ahí, ¿vale? Hungry, lock in.
Hey, you guys, there's an enemy right over here. Follow me, I'm a drone. Enemy.
Lock in, bro.
Okay.
Alright.
Point C has been compromised.
You went up top, guys. Yeah, no, we went up top. Somebody go up top.
I don't. Medic, I need a medic. I don't, tío, bro. ¿Por qué no te transformas en médico, bro? Ponte médico, bro. Utiliza otras cosas. No es siempre igual. Bro. Eres un asqueroso, tío. Puta mierda. Nada, no voy a jugar VRFS nunca más contigo. Estás subiendo
Vale,
texto,
¿tú cuando lo haces qué?
Yo contigo no lo he hecho, yo lo he hecho con otra gente, yo a ti nunca.
¿Cómo que no?
Como que no, bro. Está viniendo gente. There's people coming.
Casi me mató.
Is this a bad angle?
Oh shoot! Wait, behind you.
Oh,
Come on.
Vale, doble kill otra vez. ¿Qué
He's
pasa
up on
arriba?
like the second floor level.
¿Qué pasa arriba?
Like-
Point D is being attacked.
Hate monkeys.
Bro.
He's up.
Heal me, someone heal me.
second. Okay. Archers.
3 minutes!
Only.
Bruh. It's like counting
Hi.
sheep. There's 1 little, 2 little, 3
Okay,
little.
what time is it?
It's crazy. Bro just has a freaking bow in his face.
Oh.
We've
Alright,
lost point D.
1 second. Just
Ow. Ouchies. Wowies, owies.
Heal.
Point C captured.
Ow. Don't know where I'm being stuck from, but I'm going now.
Chinga change, wada wada bang bang.
Okay.
Yes, nice one,
Hostiles
mate.
are attacking
Fine by
point
medic.
E.
Yo, what is our team doing? The shootouts.
Yeah. Oh, he's...
Yo, how they?
Enemy captured point E.
Ha!
Alright, you're around the corner.
Ah, si me laguea el juego, tío. No se lo he dicho.
Medic.
Stay alive.
Puto juego.
Out of all this time, we don't have a freaking medic over here. We have like 50 usually.
Not enough. Give it too much.
This accuracy.
Wait a second.
Bro, using Genesis, you're weird, dude.
Hey, medic.
Oh yay, we got every
This kid, he's using Genesis. He's weird.
heal.
A gun. It's a weird gun.
No.
Yeah.
Medic, please, medic, somebody, medic. Medic, please. Please. There's a recon beacon and he's sniping us.
Yo tengo una falda.
Coño, adelante.
Hijo de puta, por delante.
Me cambio, sí.
¿Te lo he dicho o no te lo he dicho? Aunque hay una escopeta, pero necesitas nivel...
Heal.
Vamos a hacer cuatro.
Point B secured.
Oh my gosh, bro. Weirdo using Genesis again.
Don't give up.
Yo, medic. They're up
Thank
top.
I'm going for it. Ah, fuck.
They're coming from the top.
I think they
Oh.
they might have a beacon down here. Okay.
No, I don't do this. I don't do this.
Bro.
Ah, puto malísimo. Ah, te lo juro, es malísimo. Te lo juro.
¿Cómo lo voy a saber que tengo la espalda, tío? Está
Kill me.
Bro, si te lo estoy diciendo, estoy yo muriéndome, bro, y
Why
escuchas
can't I grab
30.000
on
balas disparándose.
No! You revived me.
They're dropping off.
Enemy is attacking point C.
Fuck.
Okay. That makes sense.
Heal.
Literally behind the corner. And he killed me.
Point C is being attacked.
Bro.
That's pretty obvious. Why do we have like 50 freaking snipers?
Oh.
Camping yet again.
What? Oh, it's gotten crate.
We've lost point C.
Okay.
C, go to C,
Yeah, go to C, go to C.
Go to C, not D, C.
Go to C, go to C.
Did it? Oh my, this pilot doesn't know. I think he just learned how to do circle.
Go to C, 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 go to C.
He doesn't know how to fly, guys. He only knows how to do circle.
Oh my gosh. Freaking paraplegic, I'm telling you.
Yeah, he just wasted our...
Nope. Yep.
Point D
There's
is
like
ours.
50 people on their team, bro. I'm crashing out, bro. Little bird, can you please fly me over C?
Yeah, sure.
Point D is under attack.
See, you said?
Yep.
Top? Oh, fuck. Again, the fucking tank. The third time. Holy.
I actually don't like this game.
What do you want it to do?
Enemy has control over point D. Point B is under attack.
Man, cinematic death.
Ready.
Flying down the.
Got so ready. Oh no! No revive?
Enemy has control over point B.
Nice. Getting B. Nice.
Point C secured.
Thanks.
Point A is under attack.
If they try to come up here, they're gonna have a present.
Wow.
Up there.
Enemy captured point A.
A ver si te recuerdas el truco que te di para las tirolinas, Aaron. ¿Cómo se va en una tirolina en este juego? Aaron. Tú sí. Tú sí. Tú sí. Benji, dilo con amabilidad, no como si fueras imbécil. Deja de decir. Tú sí, tú sí, tú sí.
Wait a second.
Point B captured.
Yo, medic. Go medic.
Where are you seeing a medic? There's no one
Okay.
on our team who is a medic.
So shut the fuck up.
Jesus Christ. Let's be nice, people.
On the helipad, on the helipad. On the helipad.
Where is
Got
he?
him. ¿Qué pesado con las
You
escopetas,
just
hermano?
said that.
Get alive, man.
Gosh.
Subiendo de nivel, Aaron.
Please, assault. Drop ammo, assault. Never mind, you're dead.
You made. You're such a good man.
Assault, drop ammo. Thank you. You're being sniped at, by the way. Be careful.
Okay.
Good one? I have no idea what you're doing.
Oh.
I think they're no. They're...
Enemy is attacking point B.
Okay, I'm gonna risk my life. YOLO! Woo!
I saw
They're
that.
still here.
Did you just see that kid?
We're falling
Oh my
behind.
god, my guy's
Fight
turned
back,
up into a
soldiers.
little ball.
Enemy captured point B.
Holy.
What the hell?
Point B
Fuck! Oh,
secured.
Condor, that's right. Oh, wow. Fuck you, bro.
He ignored revive.
Point D is under attack.
GG's.
Yeah. Fucking yeah. There's a zombie gonna run away.
Enemy is attacking
¡Ah,
point C.
¡Ya! Claro, cómo no, tío, con la puta escopeta.
Meow.
Man, one. Can you find the spawn beacon for the other team? Around here.
Weirdo using Genesis yet again.
Point C is being attacked.
They're like now crawling around like gremlins. Yo, I got you, dude.
Alright.
The flag Hey!
I cover you. I cover you.
I almost got him. They had a respawn beacon set up. Hold up.
There's so many of them!
Oh my god, he came from behind. And then click.
I just
When it. Yeah, I'm gonna go recon.
Creo que había un TF.
Aaron, atento siempre a la tirolina, Aaron. Atento siempre a la tirolina. Tío.
What do you know?
We got point A.
Aguanta.
¿Qué? Y le atraviesan las balas. ¡Qué puto juego de mierda!
Do you know about the combat bag?
I love rage bait.
¿Dónde estás? Vale, vamos a...
They have a spawn beacon. I just heard the beeping.
Hostiles are attacking point B.
Ow. Owie. Nope.
Capture
Wait a second, I'll fix you. I hear you died.
Hell yeah. Sure, I'll stay right there.
point E captured.
They're just camping us.
No. Oh, the enemy team? Yeah, they are.
I'm gonna go recon with the C-tac and snipe from HQ. No, I'm not just
Hostiles are attacking point C.
little toes. C. Oh, C.
Point A is under attack.
Push. Drive.
conmigo, por favor, necesitamos ayudante.
No me enojo antes. Solo.
We've lost
Si
point
te
A.
mueres, escucha, Aaron, si te mueres aparece el P, ¿vale? Pero en silencio, quédate calladito, ¿vale? Encontró. O redeploy y aparece conmigo. Fuck you. Joder, Aaron. Tío, ¿qué haces ahí? ¿Qué haces? ¿Qué boat? No! No, it's a medic too, guys! No!
I'm going to hurt you. There's so many of you.
My lungs were collapsing.
There's so
Yo,
many of you.
First aid works really well, to be honest. Like, I lost my leg, and just because you kissed me on the mouth during CPR, I survived and my leg grew back.
Victory confirmed. Excellent work out there, soldiers.
Yeah. Give me half.
Yeah.
Give me half.
Yeah.
Oh, I want your feet.
Huh, server.
Alright, guys. I think this is the end of the video.
Oh, the server's shutting down?
If you liked it, like and subscribe. Maybe leave a comment.
I like boars.